Heartburn is a burning sensation in the chest or throat caused when stomach acid flows back into the food pipe. It may occur after heavy meals, spicy or fatty foods, lying down soon after eating, or certain lifestyle habits. Over-the-counter antacids can provide quick, short-term relief by neutralizing stomach acid. Medicine, such as antacid, may be appropriate for frequent symptoms, but should be used according to the label or healthcare advice. Avoid overeating. Identify foods that trigger symptoms and avoid lying down immediately after meals. Seek medical attention for severe or persistent heartburn, difficulty swallowing, vomiting blood, black stools, unexplained weight loss, or chest pain, especially if it is associated with sweating, breathlessness, or pain spreading to the arm or jaw, as these may indicate a heart problem rather than simple heartburn.